Hi, my name is Liz and I work at the Squim branch of the North Olympic Library System, and this is my daughter Adele, and we're going to do a rhyme with you today. We're going to do one about a rainy day. It was a rainy day today, and this is called Rain is Falling Down. So we're going to do pitter patter and then splash. And splash, you can hit your leg or the ground to make the water splashing up, or you can clap your hands. If you're doing this on a baby, you can kind of glide your fingers down, a little sensory movement. Here we go. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down, splash. And now the sun is going to peek out. You want to do peekaboo with me? Yeah, come here. Come sit on my lap. Here we go. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking out, peek. Peeking here, peeking there, sun is peeking out, peek. You want to do it again? Okay, we'll do the last verse again. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking out, peek. Peeking here, peeking there, sun is peeking out, peek. And you could do snow and wind, you could do all kinds of verses, but that's where we're going to leave it today. So thank you for rhyming with us. Bye!